Okay, now we can start. Welcome to the new shop by the creek. You can see it's pretty entertaining. We got the creek trail right there. And it goes pretty far. It goes all the way into Denver. Shop's located in Berkeley in Denver. Close to I-76. Just off of Pecos. Here we go. I'm not all washed out now. Here's the new shop. There's the Bronco project. Got some old banners on the wall there. Just to get home a little bit. But we got a huge mess here today behind me. Nuts and bolts that need to be sorted through. Huge pile of hardware, you know, when you move stuff, everything gets piled up together. Of course, all the raw materials that I had laying around, and then of course the whole Bronco project. So on episode 11, you saw me recycling a bunch of materials left over from the bodywork. Here's what I got left. These are some of the parts I'm going to be using. And we got down here, we got that whole bed floor tailgate section. I think I even got the bumper down in there somewhere. Yeah, bumper. But here's where we're at. There's no dirt on the floor. So let's get to cleaning up here so that we can produce. For? That hook is for a fire extinguisher. And we're going to be making sparks in here. We need two fire extinguishers. Oh boy. Looks like we're going to the depot store. Well, as you can see, I kind of got the pile cleaned up here a little bit. Now it's time to head off to Home Depot and get those fire extinguishers and first aid kit, and the old Jeff Heitman always says, make sure you got that eye wash. The last thing we're looking for is first aid kits. Got everything else. Ta-da! We made it. It's lunchtime. So what did I get done? I moved a couple of boxes around and I went to Home Depot, and it's already lunch. It's gonna be a long day. There we go, just in case we have a boo-boo. Alright, so I got the shop kind of organized, cleaned up a little bit. You can see I got a big pile back there by the door ready to go out. Got the fan all hooked up, got some lights going, and then promptly got busy on the Bronco without even thinking about you guys. So, sorry, but got her opened up. Here, you check it out. Working on the Bronco like the videos are supposed to go. In 11 we did a bunch of recycling, and we got moved into this new shop here with this video, and hopefully Bronco video 11 will show you the rear mezzanine arm, coilover suspension in the back, and sway bar coming up. Anyway, if you liked it, hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe. Gotta subscribe if you want to see more. Right over here.